Aurori Antares. Kill one random card in recruits and loyalist row. If a blood chest card is face up on the board, draw 2 random afterlife cards to recruits. Okay, so that was a pretty good time to play her because the opponent mainly has decent cards in their side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a random on this. And we'll take this one. Oh, well, that was nice. All right. And then, take this one. Wow. All right. That was about as good as it could have gotten. Oh, well, except for that 11. I forgot about it. Anyways, so I do have a blood chest card on the board. I have my king over here on this 2. So that means I can draw 2 random afterlife cards to recruits. Okay, so I'll take this one and that one. All right, let's see what we got. 7 and a 12, there we go. All right, and as you can see, well, she was quite powerful here, but due to the randomness, sometimes it may not be so great.